Okay, so this is a very quick video on basically how to raise the fuel tank if you need to get underneath. Sometimes there are tasks when we want to change the air filter, or we're running wiring from the back of the bike where the battery is to the front. Whatever the reason, we might need to get underneath the fuel tank. Okay, very straightforward process. All you need to do is remove the seat. Once the seat is out of the way, there are two small bolts that just fit in to these locators here on the front of the tank. 10mm socket. Take those two screws out, and then before you lift the tank, make sure that you've got something to hold the tank up with. Okay, so once you've taken those two screws out, literally you just lift the tank, and then you can place the wood underneath to hold the tank up and in place, and that now allows you access into here or into the air filter if that's where you need to get to. And then obviously to refit the tank, you'll just take this back out, lay the tank down carefully, making sure you don't get any cables or wiring or anything like that trapped underneath and between. Just get the two bolts, fit them in, pinch them tight and clamp them up, and that's how you lift, raise and lower the fuel tank. Okay, that's all for now. If you liked the video, then leave a like. If you didn't like the video, then leave a dislike. Either way, leave a comment, suggestion or any questions you may have in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss any of my future content. Once again, thanks for watching.